Hey you all, my name is Ethnic Mama. For those of you who don't know, I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 girls, and today I actually have to change the windshield wipers on my Ford Expedition. I know that every vehicle is different, but I want to go ahead and do a demonstration on how I'm changing it, because sometimes us women have to do jobs like this. Okay, so anyways, I have this. This is just one. You have to purchase 2, and you can purchase these windshield wipers at any auto store, and you can let the person know at the desk what kind of car you have, and they'll let you know what size you need. I have this is size 22. Okay, so let's get into it, y'all. So this is the hardest part, trying to get the windshield wiper off, because we don't take windshield wipers off every day, right? So anyways, you don't need any kind of tools for this, you know, and you could wear gloves to protect your hands and stuff, but if you do it the right way, it should be really quick. All right, so let me get started. I'm just gonna like shimmy it off, and then I'm gonna flip it this way, and then I slide it right off. So again, you just flip it so that this part is facing like this, and it has the opening right there, and you can just slide it right off. All right, so now that we removed the old windshield wiper, we're gonna go ahead and put on the new one. But really quick, I wanna talk about this extra piece that comes in the packaging. I have a J-hook arm, so I don't need to use it, but if you have a pin arm, you can go ahead and figure out how to install it. Okay, so let's get to it. So you're gonna make sure that this is upright. You don't wanna put the windshield wiper on the wrong way, upside down or whatever. It's gonna be like going towards you on this side. And this little flap right here, you're gonna make sure that's down, okay? So yeah, let me go ahead and put it on. Catch that. So I put that in there, and then I'm just gonna slide it in, and then you hear a little click. And it should be secure. No sliding, it's there. All right, so you're just gonna go ahead and repeat what you did on one side on the next side. Okay, so what I noticed is that when you apply the windshield wiper, it's gonna be facing the same side as the side that you did the passenger side on. So the Rain-X side is gonna be on that side. So you see it's flipped just like that. I want you to see it. Okay, because you can flip it back and forth and get confused. So make sure this part is down. All right, and then this hook here, this hole, you're gonna go ahead and just put that on. Okay, make sure it's secure. All right, so we're almost done. The last step is to test the windshield wipers out. All right, looks good to me. So do me a huge favor, subscribe to this channel so you can see more tips like this. And go ahead and check out the description box for some links on where I purchased the windshield wipers. But keep in mind that you can purchase them at a local auto shop. And thank you so much. Peace.